Come shop with me at Ikea as I look at all their holiday decor. Pandas! You know, I wish I could make my house look like this. That's kind of cute. I need these. I don't know what happens, but I always lose those. Ooh, and I need some good Tupperware too. Beautiful. Stunning. Gnome. Oh, I like the little horsey. Oh, so pretty. You can never have enough IKEA bags. Ooh, I have those Pride ones. Man, I am seeing more Christmas displays than they did for Halloween. Ooh, these look good. Okay. Oh, look at all the cute baking stuff. Oh, biscuits with cinnamon. That could be interesting. Ooh, gingerbread in my chocolate? Okay. Ooh, and they got advent calendars. Why does this make me laugh? Ooh, look at the Christmas tree. Oh, I love the pretty lights. That's just gorgeous. Ooh. All the types of wrapping paper. Ooh, look at the garland. I'd break it, though. I'd break it. It's paper, I'm going to break it. So I'm like attracted to lights for Christmas. I always like lights. Oh, look at all the pretty lights. Oh, I like the houses. These stars are super cute. I don't know where I'd put them in my house, though. I love these ornaments. The cat, the penguin. Oh, the little mousey. Man, they really upped their ornament game this year. So many choices. I'm getting this. 100% getting this. Gnome. Huh. Aw, look, it's a little fairy door. How adorable. Aw, I like the village. I don't have a village. I have a Halloween village. You all know this. And if you don't know this, I have a Halloween village. Loving the ornaments. Oh, look at the holiday cards. They're super cute. Meatballs. What? No gravy? Ooh, potato pancakes? No licorice. None. Ooh, that could be good. Maybe. I said no licorice. Damn. Ooh, they have it in ice cream? I love these cookies. Either in the hazelnut or the strawberry, they are bomb. Ooh, oatmeal sugar-free cookies? And the best ice cream ever. So good. And there goes my money.